Model, 2018 Renault Master Business Rear-Wheel Drive, LL35 DCI 130 Luton Knox van starts runs needs gearbox. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 325717. MOT, the 13th of August 2025. Engine, 2298 cc M9T DCI 130 E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Unfortunately, the gearbox will need repairing or replacing. It only selects reverse gear and all the other gears are locking up. Straightforward gearbox replacement job definitely worth repairing. Engine runs fantastically, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.